Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make quick and easy banana pudding full guide. Start by gathering ripe bananas, vanilla wafers, milk, sweetened condensed milk, and instant vanilla pudding mix, then set out a mixing bowl and whisk. Slice bananas thinly, prepare the pudding per package directions with milk and condensed milk for extra creaminess, and layer wafers, pudding, and bananas in a dish for the best texture. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent flavor and texture, and keep everything within reach. Combine pudding mix with cold milk, then whisk until smooth and slightly thickened. Stir in sweetened condensed milk to boost creaminess and sweetness without extra mixing. Reserve a few banana slices and vanilla wafers for garnish, and ensure bananas are ripe but firm so they hold shape in layers and do not turn mushy quickly. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for storing extra pudding or prepping bananas ahead. They make meal prep simple and tidy so nothing spills during transport. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble the pudding carefully to create a pleasing texture and balanced bites. Start with a thin wafer base, add a smooth pudding layer, then banana slices, repeating until your dish is filled. Press gently to compact without crushing bananas, and finish with reserved wafers and banana slices for presentation. Cover tightly and chill for at least 2 hours to let flavors meld and the pudding firm up for clean, satisfying slices when served.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.